how to send invoice on Payoneer. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can send invoice on Payoneer. So how do you get about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Payoneer account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to your own page automatically where you see your balance, etc. And then by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu displaying home, get paid, pay, Payoneer cards, withdraw and transfer, etc. Ensure you click on get paid. Okay, once you click on get paid, next thing for you is to click on request a payment. Now once you click on request a payment, for you you'll be taken to the request a payment page where you will ask to input the email address of the person that you want to request a payment from. Then after that, you will also see some required fields such as the amount, etc. Just go ahead and fill all of this. Now I cannot do this because I have to meet the requirement of receiving at least 5,000 USD or equivalent in other countries in my account. Once I have received this, I'll be able to request for a payment. And this also applies to you. Ensure you've met this criteria. So once you meet this criterion and you're taken to the request a payment page, fill all of the necessary questions, all of the required fields, and then once you filled all of these fields, you will get to a stage where you have to select where you have to add a document. All right, click on it and then select the invoice that you want to send to the person, either from your computer file or from dragging it from your computer into the slated field. So just add the invoice and then click on next. And once you click on next, the invoice will be sent to the person as a payment request, and he or she can download it and get access to it also with an online payment application. So that is just how you can send an invoice on your Payoneer's account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.